Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Lovery Play Kit is probably one of the most thoughtfully designed and developmentally appropriate choices for your newborn, offering a curated selection of sensory experiences and engaging toys specifically tailored for the crucial first 3 months of life, ensuring your little one's early exploration and learning are both stimulating and safe, making it an indispensable tool for parents seeking to nurture their baby's growth and curiosity right from the start. Number 5. Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Mat. Introduce your little one to a world of sensory exploration. This mat helps develop essential muscles and refines motor skills with its engaging, colorful sea life illustrations. Crafted from premium, BPA-free PVC, this mat is built to last and is completely leak-proof. Your baby stays dry and comfortable during playtime. Getting started is easy. Simply fill the center with water and inflate the edges. It's ready for fun in minutes. When playtime is over, just drain the water and air, fold it flat, and it easily fits into any bag for on-the-go entertainment. Measuring 26 by 20 inches, it's the ideal size for babies over 3 months. Give the gift of developmental fun to any baby girl or boy. Encourage your baby to strengthen their muscles while they play and explore. It's a fun way to support their physical development. What we like. This mat is designed to promote sensory development with its bright, colorful sea animals. It's also 100% leak-proof and made from durable, BPA-free materials. If you are looking for a safe and engaging way to strengthen your baby's muscles and refine their coordination, this is a great choice. What people say. The bright colors and floating shapes inside keep babies entertained and curious. It's easy to fill with water and air, and once set up, it lays nicely on the floor. The material feels durable and well-made, with no leaks when properly sealed. Number 4. TAF Toys Tummy Time High Contrast Baby Book. Introducing a high-contrast baby book designed for tummy time. It's perfect for engaging your little one's senses from the very beginning. This fun, interactive book features crinkly pages that babies love to explore. It's a wonderful way to encourage playtime and development. It comes with a baby-safe mirror for self-discovery and a soft koala teether for soothing gums. These elements add extra sensory stimulation. Crafted with soft materials, this book is gentle and safe for your baby to touch and play with. It provides a comfortable and engaging experience. This tummy time book is an excellent tool for early sensory development. It helps stimulate visual tracking and fine motor skills. From TAF Toys, a brand trusted for quality baby products. Give your baby the best start with this engaging and educational toy. What we like. This book features high contrast patterns and crinkle pages to stimulate your baby's visual development. It also includes a soft koala teether for soothing sore gums. If your baby is fascinated by black and white patterns and you want an interactive toy that aids in sensory exploration, this book is ideal. What people say. One side has high contrast black and white pictures, while the other side is colorful, which keeps it interesting as babies grow. It makes a crinkly noise that really entertains her. It's the perfect size and stands up on its own. It also has a teether and a mirror, which she loves. The high contrast black and white side is perfect for newborns, helping them focus without overstimulation. As they grew, we flipped it to the colorful side with textures, a baby-safe mirror, and a cute koala teether that fits into a kangaroo pouch. It stands up on its own, making tummy time more engaging. It can be propped up for tummy time, has a mirror for baby to see themselves, is interactive to grow with baby, has both black, white and colorful pages, and the pages are that crinkle material for added fun for baby. Number 3. Lovevery Play Gym. Introducing the Lovevery Play Gym, an award-winning developmental activity gym designed to grow with your child from baby to toddler. It features stage-based activities that support your baby's development through crucial early years. This ensures they are always engaged and learning. Watch as it transforms to suit your child's changing needs, providing continuous fun and learning opportunities. It's perfect for every stage. Recognized for its excellence, this play gym has received awards for its innovative and beneficial design. It's a trusted choice for parents. This isn't just a play mat, it's a comprehensive developmental tool. It encourages exploration and skill building in a safe and stimulating environment. Give your child the best start with a play gym that adapts to their milestones. It's an investment in their cognitive and physical growth. What we like. This award-winning play gym offers stage-based developmental activities for babies from birth to toddlerhood. It provides a comprehensive play experience designed to grow with your child. If you are seeking a long-term investment in your baby's development that offers varied activities and encourages exploration, this is the perfect option. What people say. The mat is soft and the building of the top part is pretty easy. The play mat is made out of clean materials and is super safe for newborns to use. It's big enough for a baby to do their tummy time, roll around on and practice their sitting and standing. The quality of this play gym is unmatched and my son was instantly enthralled by all the toys. It's super cute, colorful, and engaging. The product is comprehensive and offers an all-in-one entertainment solution for babies. The fabric is soft to the touch, and the entire item is easy to clean, which is a significant practical benefit. Number 2. KUANGO High Contrast Baby Toys. Designed for newborns, this toy set features high-contrast black and white patterns to stimulate your baby's developing vision. It's the perfect way to engage their senses right from the start. Explore a world of sensory learning with these interactive toys. The rich, double-sided designs encourage early visual development and cognitive skills, keeping your little one entertained and curious. Each toy offers a unique sensory experience. Discover crinkle sounds, a squeaker, a bell, and a teether, all designed to enhance hand-eye coordination and grasping abilities. Crafted from non-toxic, fabric materials, these toys are built to last. They are hand-washable, durable, and safe for your baby to touch, chew, and explore. Give the gift of early learning and development. This set makes a wonderful present for baby showers and birthdays, offering a healthy start for babies and toddlers aged 0 months and up. These toys are suitable for babies from 0 to 6 months and beyond. They provide a wonderful opportunity to bond with your baby during precious moments of play and discovery. What we like. This set of 3 toys focuses on visual stimulation with high-contrast black and white patterns, adding a touch of color. Each toy offers a different sensory experience, including crinkling, rattling, and teether functions. If you want to support your newborn's early visual development and provide a variety of tactile and auditory stimulation, this set is a fantastic starting point. What people say. The sensory balls are a great size for little hands to grasp and explore. The crinkle toy provides satisfying auditory stimulation for the baby. The soft textures and bright colors of the toys are very engaging for infants. Number 1. SpringFlower 3-in-1 Montessori Baby Toys. Discover a world of learning and fun with our 3-in-1 Montessori toy set. Designed for babies from birth to 18 months, it offers endless developmental possibilities. This set includes colorful stacking blocks, soft rings, and engaging sensory balls. They are perfectly sized for little hands to grasp, stack, and explore. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these toys are BPA-free, non-toxic, and incredibly durable. They are also easy to clean, ensuring a safe play experience. The soft, chewable blocks provide comfort for teething gums. Squeezing them produces a delightful sound, aiding auditory development and hand-eye coordination. Each block features embossed animals, shapes, and numbers, encouraging early learning of counting and recognition. They even double as fun bath toys. Presented in a convenient storage bag, this versatile toy set makes an ideal gift for birthdays and holidays, suitable for babies and toddlers aged 6 months to 3 years. What we like. This versatile set combines stacking blocks, rings, and sensory balls, all made from safe, food-grade silicone. The blocks feature embossed shapes and numbers for early learning, and they can even be used as bath toys. If you're looking for a multifunctional toy that supports fine motor skills, sensory exploration, and can be used both for play and during bath time, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The pieces are soft, lightweight, and easy to grip, which makes them well suited for smaller hands. The different textures and shapes keep my baby engaged, and I like that the set grows with them. Each item is a soft, easy to clean silicone. The blocks and balls are big enough that I don't worry about a choking hazard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.